The word of the week this week is age gate. Now, what age gate we're talking about in social media this week right now is this talk federally within states about age gating social media, in the sense that right now it's kind of 13 years old to be have a social media account, increasing that age, increasing it to 16, increasing it to 18. The idea is to increase mental health among teenagers. We see anxiety and stress increasing through research from Instagram when it comes to girls, YouTube when it comes to boys specifically. So looking at states increasing this age of social media and being able to use social media. Same thing we see with alcohol and having 21 for alcohol, tobacco, 18, pornography, etc. Should we increase the age of social media to 16? Some states are looking at that 18. And really, this is just kind of a flex. I am here in beautiful Scottsdale. Never been to Scottsdale ever before. Look at the size of these boulders. Only the reason we're doing a word of the week outside right now is just a flex. It's just a flex. It's beautiful. It's beautiful out here in Scottsdale, Arizona. Here for a workshop. Excited for tomorrow. Question number uno.
Where does AI fit into the job role of social media marketing?
AI 110% has a role in social media. If everyone thinks that, AI is going to take jobs, but it's not going to take my job. AI is going to be used in those careers, but it's not going to be used in my career. Yes, 110% AI is going to be used in social media. What I would be doing right now is thinking in this way. AI is not taking your job. We're not even anywhere in the ballpark of that happening right now. Maybe in a dystopian future, we're all retired at that point. But it is going to be a tool for us, right? Don't think of AI taking your job as the same breath that the person who knows how to use AI in social media will take the jobs of people who don't know how to use AI in social media. What I would be flexing right now is prompt engineering. How can I successfully use large language models, right, to my benefit? If you haven't already, test out ChatGPT for a couple hours. Be a couple hours in there and learn basics on long tail inquiries. So if you're asking short questions, it's going to give you pretty general information, but long tail things like pretend you are this person. Write something if you were this person talking to this person. There's a technique I just learned about here recently. It's ask me 20 questions that would help you create this type of content. And then ChatGPT will then give you the questions, you answer the questions, ChatGPT then creates content based on those questions of your audience, of your customer funnel, depending on where you are right now, what kind of content you want them to create. But absolutely, prompt engineering, I would be searching that term. Prompt engineering, looking at long tail inquiries for social media content. I actually have a Excel sheet that you can plug and play. There's drop downs to actually create social media content. In my classes, I can share it. If you're interested, reach out to me. But it can basically build baseline social media content. Is it what you're going to post? Absolutely not. It's going to get you 20%, 30% there. Think of it as like a brainstorming. You're going to tweak it. You're not going to copy and paste anything from ChatGPT or any large language model completely. But it's 20%. It's a brainstorm to get you ideas flowing. Think of it that way. That's how you should be thinking about careers in social media. AI is going to be part of it.
What is the most positive way to create a lasting memory or impression within a 1-minute time frame interaction?
Oh, I love this question. Man, this is a big boat, so I'll just kind of give you three takeaways immediately. First, usernames. Use the other person's name as much as possible. There's a saying that your name is the sweetest word in the entire world. So try actively using that person's name in the conversation at least 3 times. At least 3 times use their name. You actually see they will light up kind of each time that has that connection. Tip number 2, think about how you can ask them questions about their interests or their passions, right? Don't fall into that game of trying to humble brag constantly and think about what can I say that will impress them the most about me. Instead, ask them about their passions. What's a personal project you have going on right now? Things of that nature. Think about how you can ask those interesting questions to them to get them to gloat, to smile, to be excited to tell you about whatever the thing may be. And number three, I'm a big nerd when it comes to this, but nonverbal communication, body language. There's a lot of research. Body language has a huge impact, especially on first impressions. So there's a lot of stuff there, I can't even go into this one. This is what I want to do. You likely have, as a student, you have LinkedIn Learning for free. So I have a LinkedIn Learning course. So this isn't me selling you anything because it's free with your tuition. But I have a LinkedIn Learning course. I'll link it in the description of this video. It's a good course, right? All these videos that I've created basically to this point exactly of nonverbal communication, body language, and that initial meeting, right? Go through that course, right? To self-promote my own fantastic videos, but LinkedIn Learning, your tuition pays for it. So I'll link it in this video. Really good questions. We'll do one more quick scope of beautiful Arizona here in Scottsdale. But please like this video, comment any questions that you have. If you are a student of mine, Slack me those, DM me those, send me an email for use for next week, and have a fantastic week.